Hey guys, are you ready to transform your PowerPoint presentation into something truly amazing? I'm going to reveal 15 game-changing PowerPoint tips and tricks, which is really going to take your slides to the next level. Whether you're new to the PowerPoint or a seasoned pro, these tips are really going to help you to create visually stunning and impactful presentations, which is really going to mind blow your audience. So without wasting any time, let's dive in. Number 1, it's Format Painter. It's a powerful tool which allows you to quickly copy formatting from one object such as text, shapes or images and apply it to the another. And for this, select the object, text or shape and click on Format Painter. And for multiple applications, double click the Format Painter icon to keep it active, which could allow you to apply the formatting to multiple objects or text. Click again to deactivate it if the job is done. And there we are seeing amazing results. Alright, let's move into number 2. It's Auto Donut Chart. You can select the chart from the Insert Chart option. Now make sure that only 2 values are present in the Excel. Now make the top value visible and the bottom value invisible. Now over the value column, enter any value in the visible and enter the following formula in the invisible column. Alright, now you have an automatic donut chart. Let's dive into number 3. It's Eyedropper. Eyedropper tool in PowerPoint allows you to precisely match colors from any part of your slide or screen. You can simply select the eyedropper and click on the color you want to match, and it's going to instantly apply that color to your selected text, shape or any object, ensuring the consistent design. Now here's how it works. Now this eyedropper option is available in text fill, shape fill and outline. Alright, let's go to number 4. It's Glassmorphic Effect. This Glassmorphic effect in PowerPoint is a trendy style design which mimics the appearance of the frosted or translucent glass. The Glassmorphic effect is ideal for highlighting content in a visually appealing way, making the presentation stand out with a sophisticated and great design.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way.
Let's move to number 5. It's Any Shape Picture Fill. You can insert picture into any sort of desired shape that you want. Now here's how it works. First of all, create the desired shape that you need. Then group it. Now insert the picture from your PC. Alright, job done. Now moving to number 6. It's Perfect Shapes and Lines. If you ever struggle to create a square or a circle or exact line that you need, you can use a simple trick to make a perfect shape or line that you want.
Gonna come. The birds have just begun.
Simply press Shift key and create the line or the shapes that you need.
Take
You will get great results.
for the people, for the land.
You can create a perfect circle, square, or a line which you need.
For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were sown.
You can even create a line inclining to 45 degrees using this option.
Savannah.
Alright, let's move to number 7.
We'll never be alone. Savannah. The beauty of the world.
It's dividing the shapes into equal parts. Now for this you can go to the chart option and click on donut chart. Now give equal values in all the 5 columns. Now cut the chart, paste it using paste special option. Once done, then ungroup it. You can choose the other way as well. Now here's how you can do it. Insert the donut shape and insert the thin rectangle as well. Make sure that the rectangle is larger than the donut. Then duplicate it and create multiple rectangles like a wheel. And then group it all together.
In the morning sun. Searching for a longer day.
Then use the subtract option for merge shapes.
People feeling like the light has just come.
Now create a square shape
We must never
which is greater than this donut.
stay. Birds chirping and I hear my name. Grasping into life. Life is happy but
Then click the fragment option and remove the square and add on the colors that you need. The donut. Alright, job done.
we'll never be alone. Savannah. The beauty of the world.
Coming to number 8, it's chart animation. You can animate the chart in multiple ways. Here are multiple options available for the chart animation. Now this will keep your presentations more and more engaging for the audience.
Light is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to
You can adjust the time as well using the timer options which is displayed above.
let's go back to when trees were sown. Kids across the land. Savannah.
Alright, let's move to number 9. It's slider grids. For this, you need to create equal rectangles horizontally and vertically. Here's how you will do it. Be careful with the measurements that you take. Now group it. Group the horizontal rectangles. Similarly, create the vertical rectangles. Again, give proper measurement values. Once again, group it.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way.
Now remove the color in shape fill option in both the groups. So here's an amazing slide grids. Now moving to number 10, it's merging shapes. So similarly, you can use the merge option from the above and create the desired shape that you need. Now coming to number 11, it's morph and enhanced morph. Let's see how the morph works. Here's how it works. Now what about enhanced morph? If you want to morph two different shapes or two different pictures, here is a simple technique with which you can follow.
Lions gonna come.
Normal morph doesn't help in this. Hence, you have to go for an enhanced morph.
Always take a stand.
Let's see how we can do it.
Let's go back to when we were young.
Go to the selection pane tab. Insert double exclamatory marks and give a proper name to the picture.
Kids across the lane.
Repeat this on the slide too. Here's a great output which you will receive in the moment. Alright, moving to number 12, it's selection pane. This is a handy tool which allows you to manage and organize objects on your slide. It lists all the shapes, text boxes and images and multiple other elements, which is making it easy to select, rename, reorder and hide them. You can use the lock option as well to lock the particular object or shape in every process of the PowerPoint presentation.
I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping at our heels.
Alright, coming to number 13, it's stock images. You have multiple stock images
Life is happy, but it's so.
in this particular option.
We must merely make a start.
You can select whichever is suitable for your presentation as well. Even you have got transparent human images. Even you have got emojis and great icons. Even great stock videos are available as well. You can still check it out. This will make your PowerPoint more and more interesting and stunning. Even there are multiple cartoon images available, which are in black and white.
Lions gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand.
Alright, coming to number 14. It's copying the shapes with CTRL or copying the shape with control button. Now imagine two shapes are like this and you can still copy it by using control button. This makes your work more and more easier.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be.
Just click on the shapes and using control button, move it. This will minimize your time.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, my beauty of my home. Savannah, let's all take a roll.
And coming to number 15, it's a scribe option. Here's how you can use the scribe option to create a whole new infographics according to your requirements. This is a great tool for which you can use to create stunning and amazing infographics if it's urgent for your projects.
Lions roaring in the morning sun.
And there you have it, the 15 powerful tips to supercharge your PowerPoint presentations. Now that you've got these tricks up your sleeve and your slides will stand out and captivate any sort of audience. If you're ready to see the difference, apply these tips in your next presentation and watch the magic happen. Once again, don't forget to like, share and follow for more tips which could make your PowerPoint more and more interesting. See you in the next video. Bye bye.